All right, take a look at this right here. We have the 8-in-1 adjustable length stubby screwdriver from Klein Tools. Let's open that real quick. Whoa, kind of wobbly. All right, so it has this piece here goes in. The adjustable length part is there's this little, let's get up close here. There's a little metal collet that you just push down. Let me see if I can do that. When you get it, there's one stop on there. Well, the first one is you push it all the way down, and that's one length. Then you push that collet down. Pull it up. That's your second stop. Push down, pull it up a little bit. That's your third stop. I think that's it. Yeah, then it's out. So you can have it three different, the shaft can come out of there three different lengths. That's the adjustable part of it. Okay, but it's in there. Unless you push down on that, then you can move it up. All right, then it does have bit storage. Like it says, it's an 8-in-1. So it has seven bits, plus it always says that the 1/4-inch part that you put the bits in is your last like the 8 of the 8-in-1. Okay, so on this one also there's an arrow on there, if you can see it right here. You just pull this out and there's your little bits. And these are just regular little short bits in there, as you can see. It just opens and closes as you just pull on it. And then you can pull the bit out. Take this one out. This has a magnet in it. And just put the new bit in there. It's not going anywhere because it's magnetized, but let's take that one off. It looks like we got number 0, number 1, and number 2 of the Phillips bits. It's got a 3/16 inch flathead, a 1/4-inch flathead, a number 1 Robertson, number 2 Robertson, and then it just has the 1/4-inch driver right there like that. It's not ratcheting or anything. It's just has the storage, the bit storage in there, and the adjusting lengths. But also this this bit holder right here is it says impact rated, so you could take this out, put this in your impact driver, and you. So if you're in a bind or you didn't have any other bits or anything for your impact driver, and you had this with you, you just pull that out, put that in your impact driver, and it works, and it's impact rated. That's pretty neat. At the time of this video, you could get this 8-in-1 adjustable length stubby screwdriver from Klein online between $17 to $20 depending on where you go. Alright, so there you have it, the 8-in-1 adjustable stubby screwdriver from Klein Tools. A little neat little screwdriver to maybe add to your collection. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a great day.